Yung ginawa mo kanina.
Before buying a hearing aid. Okay? So sensory nerve, it involves sensory nerve. You cannot do anything about that. It involves the outer periphery of the ears. You can have hearing aid. Okay. Checking your hearing aid.
Kayaan mo na.
Kailangan check nyo kung ang battery is okay.
Hindi na nakakadinig lalo.
Baka salkaran
May pwede kaming umingin ng hearing aid.
Lobat na pala siya.
Hindi lang pa sa akin.
So, actually, class, those who, your patient who got hearing problem is a very sensitive one.
Uy, wala na yung oras.
They're very sensitive one. So, what you can do is,
Big time na mas 11, di ba? 11 lang tayo. Big time.
Gusto ko yung malapit dito.
so, ano lang, class, very loud. When you speak to these people,
Elsa, harap.
you always stop them. Get their attention first. Uncle. Are you okay?
Lady.
And always speak touch me. Okay? You have to see their eyes. Okay. And then don't shout. Alam mo shout. Too much noise, class will not help. Too much noise, sisigaw ka. Kasi, hindi mo sa vibration ng tenga niya. So, attention is the first key to this one.
Sila sa na.
Mas lower